Hi, this is the Avionaut Cosmo, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install it on the IQ ISOfix base. Before the IQ base can be installed in the car, you need to pull the ISOfix arms out. They need to be fully extended, and you do that by pressing the grey button here on the side, holding it down, and then you can slide the ISOfix arm out. And you do the same on the other side. Press the button and slide the ISOfix arm out until it's fully extended. And now I'm ready to put it in the car. So you start by placing the seat into the car, line the ISOfix arms up with the points in the car, click them into place and the indicators will go green. You then need to slide the base back to close the gap here at the back between the rebound bar and the vehicle seat, and you do that by pressing these grey buttons again, both of them at the same time, and then you slide the base in, give it a good push until the buttons pop back out, and now the base is firmly installed. The next step is to extend the leg down to the floor. And the first thing you need to do is close this gap here. So you angle the leg out as far as it will go until this gap closes. Then you press the red button here at the bottom, hold it down, extend the leg down to the floor, pull the leg down and lift the top half of the leg up slightly until the button clicks. This red light here, the red X, indicates that there is no seat on the base. And if you were to click the seat in and that red X doesn't turn into a green tick, then the seat is not clicked into place properly. I've just tipped the seat upside down to show you which bit goes where. You've got these metal claws here that lock onto these little metal bars down here. And here at the other end of the base, you've got two little knobbly bits that stick out that go into these holes here on the back of the car seat. So to lock the seat in, you just place it on the base, slide it back, and then push the front of it down into those claws. When you lock the seat into the base, the red cross will turn into a green tick. Now on the Cosmo, when it's fitted on the base, the carry handle has to be moved forward over the baby's feet. I'm just going to move the car's headrest out of the way slightly in case that's in the way. You press the buttons on the side of the handle and take it all the way forward until those buttons pop back out. So this is the carry handle position for when the Avionaut Cosmo is fitted on its base. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Let me know if you have any questions and I'll see you very soon.